Hi, good afternoon. Today I'm going to bring you into my kitchen and show you how I make a chicken avocado salad. We have pickleball tonight, so we don't usually eat at dinner. We eat a later lunch, and I'm going to do this the easy way. You can do it with real chicken and real bacon, cooked, fresh, but I'm using what I have right now. So the ingredients will be salt and pepper, olive oil. Oops, I forgot one, hang on. Lemon juice, and I love this Italian volcano that I get from Costco. So when I don't have real lemons, I use that. My salt is always a Himalayan or Redmond's or some type of salt that is not refined. And I love to use peppercorns when I use pepper. Usually I have fresh parsley or cilantro. I think you could use either in this. I'm going to use parsley. I don't have any fresh right now, so I'm just going to use dried Costco. An avocado, and FYI, I don't know if you're into GMOs or not, but I guess there's a new thing being tried by a company called Appeal, owned by Bill Gates, and I would watch out for that. I will not buy avocados that have that on. You can look it up yourself, but I always go, we are very fortunate to have a lot of really good Mexican stores and food in our area. So I usually go to the Mexican store and I buy my avocados. They are huge and delicious. And got this one the other day, so it's soft. Hopefully it'll still be okay. Instead of bacon, well, it is bacon, it's just fully cooked bacon. Normally I wouldn't use that, but that's all I have today. The chicken is Kirkland chicken, which comes from Costco. I love this chicken. If you are in a pinch, Kirkland chicken's always good. Green onions, or whatever other onion you happen to have around. I don't have any measurements for this because sometimes I'll double it and make a big batch. Today I'm just using what I have. So it's kind of a guessing game to taste. And it also calls for some corn. I happen to have some frozen corn from last year's fresh corn, so I will be throwing this in. Okay, so let's get going. First, I'm going to put the chicken in. And that's what Costco's chicken looks like. And I'm going to break it up a little bit. Okay. And I guess I'll go ahead and do the onions. We like a lot of onion, and I like all different kinds of onion. Green onions, red onions. We usually buy white onions for use in the house. This year, we're gonna have maybe a little bit bigger garden, and we'll probably try to grow some big onions. I've had a garden all my adult life, from huge to very small, and now we're getting a little bigger with it. Okay, I'm going to chop up this bacon next. And of course you want everything bite size in here so you can mix it up. Yeah, this year, or I should say last summer, I got into fermenting, which maybe you will do with me later in the season. I fermented dill pickles, which came out absolutely delicious. I meant to ferment jalapeno peppers, never got to it, but I did do apple cider vinegar, and I did do some, I can't think of what it is now. When I think of it, I'll tell you. It's a liqueur, but anyway, so now I'm gonna throw some of this corn in. Boy, if you ever want a taste of summer and you have corn, fresh corn in your area, just freeze some of it. It's delicious later in the year or next year. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna wipe my hands, hang on. Okay, so we need some parsley. Okay, and we're gonna see what this avocado is like. Hopefully it's good. You know, in case you haven't done this, but if you take the tip of the avocado, that little brown stem, and pull it off like that, if it's green inside, you should have a good avocado. And also a little soft is what you want. This one's a little more than a little soft, but it should be good. Okay. Looks pretty dang good, doesn't it? I don't like to waste it. So if you need to get the seed out, which you do, you can just put your knife in it. Gotta go a little further. And twist it. And out she comes. It's a little harder to get it off with a knife. There we go. Okay, then to get the avocado in my bowl, I'm going to gently checkerboard cut it. If you can see what I'm doing here. See that? And scoop it out with a spoon or whatever device you have. And I'd say that avocado looks pretty good. Okay, we'll do the other half. So once again, take my knife, I'm gonna slice it that way, and then across the other way, not going through the skin, and then scoop it out. And you get your little cubes. It's all gonna mush in anyway. Okay, and there we have it. Excuse me. Okay, so I am back. All right, next I'm going to do our seasonings. I'm gonna grind some pepper in. And unfortunately, my salt shaker has broken several times. I don't know if I'll get it out, and it's not working. So I do have some Redmond salt handy here, and I will put my salt in. And believe me, everything is to taste. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do some olive oil. Now you could do this separate, the olive oil and the lemon juice and the salt and pepper, and then mix it and then pour it in. But I've done this so many times that I'm just going to pour the olive oil in. And the lemon juice. You can always adjust if it's not right for you. I don't know, I'd say probably that's about a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay. And then you mix it all together. And there you have it, lunch. And you can eat this any way you like. I usually serve it with crackers. Most of the time we have pita crackers. Today we don't, but I do have some Aldi crackers left. I love these. I don't know the name of them, but they're brown and they have nuts and stuff in them. They are delicious. I even have chicharrones, and you can dip chicharrones in. I also use organic seaweed, which I get from Costco, and I just fill up one of these sheets with some chicken and salad, and it's delicious. You could put it on a croissant. You could just have it in a tomato, or just have it on your dish, whichever you want to do. So I hope that you'll try it. It's very good, and that you could understand what I was doing. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you next week.